Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Winn Dixie points in 2025. Winn Dixie is a popular grocery store chain that offers a loyalty program to its customers, allowing them to earn and redeem points on their purchases. To get started, you need to sign up for a Winn Dixie rewards account, which can be done online or in store. Once you have an account, you can start earning points on your purchases. For every dollar you spend at Winn Dixie, you earn a certain number of points, which can be redeemed for discounts on gas, groceries, and other items. To earn points, simply use your rewards card or phone number at checkout. You can also earn bonus points by purchasing certain items or shopping during special promotions. It is essential to keep track of your points balance, which can be done online or through the Winn Dixie app. To redeem your points, log into your account and browse the rewards catalog. You can redeem your points for discounts on gas, groceries, and other items. You can also use your points to enter sweepstakes or donate to charity. When redeeming points, make sure to read the terms and conditions, as some rewards may have expiration dates or other restrictions. Best practices for using Winn Dixie points include keeping track of your points balance, taking advantage of bonus points offers, and redeeming your points regularly to maximize your rewards. You can also use the Winn Dixie app to stay up to date on promotions and rewards, and to easily track your points balance. In summary, using Winn Dixie points is a simple and rewarding process. By signing up for a rewards account, earning points on your purchases, and redeeming them for discounts and other rewards, you can save money and get the most out of your shopping experience at Winn Dixie. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your Winn Dixie points and enjoy the benefits of the loyalty program.